Hey everybody, Derek here, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into affiliate marketing on a page-by-page basis. I'm going to be showing you some tweaks that you've got to be making on your pages in order to be able to make maximum money with the minimum efforts that you put out. Now, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That lets you get notified of future videos that I put out. I try to put out a new video every single week. Also, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, as that helps me get found in the algorithm, and so that way I can make more videos just like the one that you're seeing here. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's dive in. So I've opened up my trusty mind mapping tool to salvage you from my god-awful drawing skills. So I want to just really emphasize what my philosophy is around building affiliate sites. I treat these just like I would a real estate investment. If you were to go out and were to buy a single family house with the sole intention to rent this house, and you rent it for, let's say, a year or 6 months or 18 months, regardless, and now all of a sudden that tenant moves out, you're back to square one. You have zero income. This is one income stream versus multiple income streams. How would you have multiple income streams in real estate? Well, you could buy an apartment building. Let's say, for example, you've got a 64-unit apartment building and you have one person move out. Guess what? You've got 63 other people, 63 other sources that are pulling the slack, and losing one is not really that big of a deal. I treat my affiliate sites the same exact way. So I treat every single page as a different income stream. I treat it just like I would an apartment, as, you know, getting a payment from this person, getting a payment from this company. It's the same exact philosophy. So the way that I do this is I do a variety of posts. Number one, I promote multiple products, and that's the thing that you want to do. Is you want to get into a space, you want to get into a market where you can promote multiple things instead of just focusing on one, because if that product goes out of business, or there's some sort of government regulation that comes in, or if there's a competitor that comes in and sort of takes the market share, then guess what? You're starting at square one. So what we want to do is we want to build out these affiliate sites that have multiple products that we can promote. So the way that I do this is do this through three different types of posts. One is the review post. This is targeting specific products. So you'll see on my Think Tank Lab site, I've promoted Webinar Jam, I've promoted EverWebinar, I've promoted Kartra, I've promoted ConvertBox. These are all digital marketing products that are in the space. These are all different and separate income streams that I have coming into me every single month. So if one of them goes down, or if one of them has a competitor come in that takes the market share, guess what? It's not going to really hurt me as bad as if I just had one product that I was promoting. The second way that we do this is we do this through our best of posts. Now, the best of posts, these are a roundup of the top 5 or top 10 products for a keyword. So let's say, for example, we did the best email autoresponders. You know, we could list the top 10 or the top 20 email autoresponders and rank them 1 through 10 or 1 through 20, whatever that is, and give all the pros and cons. And each one of those would have our affiliate link. So that way we've got, 10, 15, 20 different links on that one page, all with the potential to be able to make money from. And again, that's the best of post. We can create a variety of these. So I could have a best email autoresponder, I could have a best landing page builder, I could have a best webinar software. I could have all of those in addition to my review post. And then third is the how-to post, which is pretty explanatory. It's how to do something, how to create a webinar, how to build a website, or how to rank a YouTube video. All of these can be very educational based, but then they can also promote a product. So here's where this gets really good. The more you post on this site, the overall authority, the overall trust is going to gain in the eyes of the search engines. And as a result, the overall site is going to benefit. So the more of these review type posts that you make, the more of these best of posts, the more of the how-to posts, and the more posts that you the more content that you share on this site, this overall site is going to benefit. Now, that's assuming that your content's good and you've got it structured in the right way, but overall the site's going to grow. And as a result, you're going to start seeing that you have multiple instances to make money from in the affiliate space, just like with the big 64-unit apartment building. And if one of those goes down, then guess what? You still got others paying you, and you're still able to make multiple streams of income, all from the same site. Now, when I got started back in the day, we were looking at things solely from a search volume standpoint, and we were building out websites around 1 or 2 keywords, and we were building that entire site around promoting one product. You don't want to do that. Instead, you want to do it the way that I'm showing you here, and as a result, the overall site's going to gain in authority, and as a result, you're going to be able to make a whole lot more money as opposed to promoting just one product. Now, what you want to do is, like I said, you want to get into a space where you can promote multiple things. So if you look, what I like to do is I like to create review posts or review pieces of content that outline one specific product when I'm doing these types of reviews. So for example, let's say we were targeting protein powders. Well, the protein powder that I use is Dymatize Elite Whey. Now, I would make a post about Dymatize Elite Whey, and I would list all the pros, all the cons, all the pricing options, and where you can get this product at the lowest possible price. And that would be my review post. I would then turn around, I could then make another review post. I could make a review post on Gold Standard's Whey protein powder and do the same exact thing. Okay, so now we got 2 pieces of content. Then we could go into, we'll just call this one product C, and then we could turn around and make another one on product D. These are all, again, separate pieces of content. Then we could turn around and make a best of post. This best of post would be the best protein powders for current year. And then in that instance, you're doing a roundup of all the top 10 or the top 20 protein powders that are on the market. And in that individual post, you've got affiliate links. You've got all the details, all the pros, all the cons, comparisons, and then you're going to outline those. And then you're going to have a link to each one of those with your affiliate link. Again, another source for you to make an income stream. Since this is a site all about supplements and fitness, what you could do is then you could turn around and make a best of post for the best fat burners. So best fat burners for weight loss in 2021. Turn around and then do another post, best pre-workout formulas for 2021 or current year. And these are pieces of content. You can do the exact same thing where you're just rounding up different types of products that you can then refer. Then you've got the how-to post. And this is exactly what I was saying before. This is just simply how to do something. So you could do how to lose weight for summer, and you could give all the tips, and then you could then recommend one of the supplements or a workout program or something along those lines. Another example of a how-to post could be something like a recipe, like how to make protein coffee. And then you could give a recipe for the protein coffee with the protein powder that you like to use, and you could make money from your affiliate link through that particular post. So all in all, this is how we build out these affiliate sites. And by the time you start building this thing out, you can start with one post and then just gradually build it as time goes by. But this is going to allow you to have multiple streams of income all from one single website. So if you like this video, be sure to give this a like by clicking the thumbs up icon below. That helps me get found in the algorithm so I can release more videos just like this one. Also, be sure you're subscribed to the channel so that way you can get notified once I release new content. And last but certainly not least, I put together a free training webinar recently where I walk you through the entire process step by step of the way, how I build the content out, how I build the links, how we use private blog networks, the whole shebang. You can find all the information by clicking the link inside the description to see if this is a fit for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.